do you a video. It's probably about 10 square metre patch. Hopefully you can hear me. I've got all the windows and doors shut, so we'll give it a go and go for a full cut and go for everything with the machine. Hopefully this is a video, I don't actually make an absolute hash on it. Obviously, say if I wasn't recording this, it'd be a hell of a lot quicker, but for you, I'll try and do it slow so you can see all the elements. Hopefully the camera is good. And we'll give it a go. So kicking the plane here, we've got sections, you won't be able to see it, there's a section down here for all the planer controls. So obviously you got your left. We'll cut up to the curb first so we can send it all the way over. Hopefully you see that on the video. And then 1 and 3 up here, we can go all the way to, say in my own videos, we can go all the way from 0 to 170mm, all for a luxury of the cabs. See them 2 dials, and we can change 1 to 100, 1 to 170, and vice versa, and go all the way down. As it's just in the main running track, we'll go 40mm, put both on 40, and I'll send it a bit more over. I've got the water on already. So, and hopefully my cuts are good. Hopefully it's engage reverse steer. So we know where we're cutting. Should be good like that. Yeah, we've got the water on. Then we'll go right to the edge of the curb. And it's just a case of manual lining her up. Just go over the patch and then come back. Hopefully you might not be able to see, that might be just out of shot. Line up with 40 on the drum. Try and do it all professional now. And then just put creep speed in, set to 3.1 mile an hour. Slowly engage the planer. So you got the water on, and then just drive really. Because the drums that I haven't had the water on for probably 20-30 minutes while I swept up that patch. As I say, it usually be a lot quicker than this, but I'm trying to get it so it's not all just splash dash and rushed. Yeah, and then obviously when you do your first cut, move it over, so you like overcutting, so like we go from the middle of the drum, usually gives a nice consistent cut. Drop the left hand side, because I say we've just put 40 on the left hand side, and then line up your cuts. Probably make an absolute hash of this, usually pretty good. And then you're just cutting 40 on the right hand side now. And then the drum's got auto tilt. You can turn that function off, but why would you? Just take your time. Right at the end of that cut, there we go. That will do. So if you're in a single track like this, obviously say you don't need to move the machine, you're just merely lining it up with your cuts. Go there, and say then down again. So you've got a full range of pretty much, you can go right to the edge with either side without having to move your machine that much. You see the piles, so usually just eye for the piles where they're lining up. And then that will probably one more cut and we should be laughing. Yep. A bit more, be brave. Choose a line up on the footpath as well so you can see when you've got your drum, your nice cut finish. There you go. I can't actually think what the 4 minutes, 10 square, it's not bad, is it? Completely out, consistent finish. Well, you just zero it back again. And then we'll move that a bit out of the way so you can see a bit more. Then we're going to sweep it up, we'll go front sweeping first.